Hi, I'm so bad at this. I keep forgetting to hit go live on YouTube. It's driving me insane. It's like 3 days in a row. Hi, YouTube. You're here finally. My bad. Uh, so I wonder, hang on, can we do info box? Template location preload? What is this? Oh, that was something I was trying to do. I can probably delete that, honestly. Not main, not talk, not user talk. Project maybe. Mostly templates and modules are what I care about. Well, where does the info box come from? Let's get ChatGPT up here. So I'm editing a wiki and it has an info box I want to look at and or change. How do I do this? You want to mess with the info box? Cute. MediaWiki hides those things like it's guarding state secrets, but whatever. Let's drag this messy bit into daylight. Here's the deal. Info boxes are templates, not on the page itself. You will never see the actual info box code on the page you're editing. It's pulled from a template. Scroll to the top of your page's source and you'll see that. Yep. The info box something part is the template. Click the template link. So, okay. Template. There is no template info box. There is no template link. And when I search, there is no So they hid the info box like a cursed relic. Lovely. All right, if there is no template link and no template info box when you search, then one of these is true. The info box isn't a template at all. Some wikis do this for reasons. It's a template, but the wiki is using a custom namespace or weird naming. The info box is generated from a Lua module only. Wiki runs something like weird gloop, which does not use normal media wiki template. Okay. Look at the page source. Open one page in edit mode and check what the top looks like. What is the exact code in the info box? Okay. Oh, it's that. There it is. Info box is not a template at all. Oh, it's literally just a table someone slapped CSS on. Okay. Uses a CSS class called infobox. Oh, interesting. Defined in the site's CSS, not here. How to change its appearance. Okay. Okay, can I make this into a template? The idea is to have different types of info boxes for items, monsters, locations, ECT. Yes, you can turn that thing into a template. You do not need to keep copy pasting cursed tables forever like some medieval scribe. I'll walk you through. Got this. Okay. Step 1, create a template page. Okay, so let's do... Is there a create a new page button? No. Okay, so let's do... What is it? Slash template. Let's do info box activity. We will put this in it. Okay. Create. Control V. Class info box float white width. Okay. Da, 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 da. So hang on, let's borrow from the Brighter Shores wiki again here. Because it's the only one I have previous experience with. Let's take a look at... I'll just click on a skill, or a profession, I should say. Yeah, so we want something kind of like this. So if we edit source, what is that? That is an info box profession. Okay, so let's do template. Yay, botanist wiki. Yeah, I'm begging, borrowing, and stealing from the Brighter Shores wiki to figure out stuff. Wait, I can, what I'll do, I'll search, I'll do this search. Template Info box. Let's do skill node. That seems like a good one to copy. Okay, so now if I edit source, that doesn't help me at all. Invoke infobox skill node. Okay, it looks like I have to build this one myself. Also, welcome Kent, how are you? Go preview, what does this look like? Map, okay. On the actual wiki, you'll replace a table with okay, so let's try that. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Good, finally back from a trip, ready for the grind. Nice. Glad to hear it. I mean, I could probably find out myself, but do you know what the max amount of time crystals that any one player can have? Because those seem goated, and I want them all. Info. Is it capital? It is. Info. Box. What did I name it? Activity. I thought it was. Oh wait, it's a Microscape wiki day? I thought it was BS. No, it's Microscape. I was just I pulled up the Brighter Shores wiki to see if I could borrow anything from it. Turns out I couldn't. Okay, glass blowing pipe. Let's see. Currently all obtainable time crystals are from general achievement section. Okay. I'll count them later then. What am I doing? Crafting, I guess. Oh wait, no, I need the glass blowing pipe. Oh, the vial and the glass blowing pipe image are the same. Funky. F12. Oh goodness, we're gonna have to resize this. I'm alternating, like, every other wiki day will be Microscape wiki. And like Brighter Shores. So I'll alternate from one to the other. That is my current plan. Oh, there we go. New tab. Oh, okay, I wasn't expecting that, but I'll take it. Save image as glass pipe. Okay, so we do image, is it equals? Yeah, okay. Image equals glass blowing pipe dot png. Title equals, oops, glass blowing pipe. Let's go preview. Oh, I didn't publish this. Save page. Show preview. Wait, what? Show preview. How does this page not exist? I literally made it. What? ACTIVITY. ACTIVITY. Template colon infobox activity. Okay. Well, there's a easy solution for this. Oop. Now, show preview. Okay. It's got to be the title there. What is it? Alt? Yeah. Equals glass blowing pipe. Show preview. Okay, cool. That is the alt. So let's upload that image. Upload file. Is a duplicate of the following file. I am aware. Ignore warning and save the file anyways. Okay, that's dealt with. Now, show preview. Okay, yeah, that's way too big. So let's go back to the template for that one. Edit. Let's see, his default is 32. So let's try, just make it 64 to make it a little bit bigger, I guess. Let's see how that goes. Save changes. Show preview. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Okay, this we can close because it is not helpful. How can I remove the width and image size from the template call? Because I want consistency. Oh, hey, Flame Spike, how's it going? Edit. I'm tired. Yeah. Okay, so it should just be. Life is a vampire. All it does is drain. I mean, it can definitely be seen that way, yeah. Let's see, does this fix it? Show preview. It looks like it does it. Can we stick this in a table? I wonder. class equals wiki table. Let's do plus. I don't think we need that. Let's just do oh no, we're doing this one here. And then boop. What does that look like? Okay. STYLE equals. Why do you say life is a vampire? Float right. Let's just copy this whole bit, maybe. Show preview. Okay, so that does not work. So what if we put the wiki table inside the info box? Oh, I need to do that. Yeah, okay. For formatting reasons, can I put a wiki table in an info box? I basically want an info box with an image and multiple lines below it. You can put a wiki table inside an info box. You need to nest it carefully because table inside table markup is picky and absolutely loves breaking layouts. Since you want an info box with an image at the top and multiple labeled lines below it, basically the standard RPG style stat block. Yeah, exactly. You have two clean options. One the correct way, using one single table, not two. All right. Oh, okay, I don't need the wiki table at all. Cool beans. Okay, so I don't even think we need the alt text at all. Or the title. I think we just need the image. And then it's what? Name, okay. And then we got the 3. Okay. Let's do 1, 2, 3. Name. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we get exclamation mark. Name. Show preview. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. So then if we do this, we should be able to just go name equals glass blowing pipe. Show preview. Okay, why does it say map? Does that need to be capitalized? Did I capitalize the word name? Show preview. Oh, did I save this? Save changes. Name. Okay. Show preview. Name. But I set the name. Oh, did I? Oh, it's because I don't think I did the bit there. Save changes. Show preview? Oh. Why is that not working? Uh, Edit. Oh, hang on. Maybe I need the Alt? Save changes. Show preview. Name. Okay. Yeah, can I browse the files? I want to find the one that's like the placeholder. What is the... Okay, I'll just download it again. What is it? The abilities. That's where they are. Okay, it's literally called placeholder. Okay. Yes. Tools. Upload file. Placeholder.png. No. Cancel and return to upload form. I didn't want to change the name. I wanted to use the name I put in. We got ads coming in a minute, by the way. Ignore any warnings. Upload file. Okay. Okay, I have this. But when I specify name at template call, it stays as name. Oh, okay. Your image tag is broken. Okay. Image size is not a parameter. It's just sitting there like a lost child. Oh, okay. Oop. Your table structure is actually malformed. You have this. It's wrong. Okay, I will be right back. All right, I'm back. This button. You're not splitting into two cells correctly. Final is in the wrong spot. Okay. You want a 2-column row like this. That's it. Okay, so I get rid of this, I guess. That's the only thing that changed. So now, go preview. That didn't change anything. Oh, I wonder if that's because now it's capital. Show preview. Okay, so let's change the image size then. Let's try 128. Uh-oh. What's up? Save changes. Show preview. Okay, but I want... Okay. Okay, but I want... the header, like the name and name of item. Centered below the image. All directly under the image, then you don't want a two-column row table. You want a single cell that contains both the label and the value stacked vertically. Here's the clean, correct version. Okay. Let's try that. Edit. Okay, so we get rid of this completely. And put this there. Show preview. Oh wait, I guess I need to save. Save changes. I'm working, Kent, on doing the creating templates that make editing in the future much easier for whenever anybody else wants to do any editing. That's blowing pipe. Okay, that looks fine. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now, can we add a border to make the info box a box? Info box with border. Okay. Actual box so it doesn't look like a loose sticker someone slapped on the page. Here's a clean version with a proper border. Okay, what did they actually change? Oh, border equals 1 pixel. Okay. Edit. So after text align center, we add this. Save changes. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Show preview. Okay, that looks good, but I want a border below the image and above the name as well. Info box with internal divider. Okay, I think this is the bit that I want here. Edit. Show preview. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, and now we can add any other thing. Okay. So what else do we need for an activity? We need the name of the activity. Probably the XP. Glass blowing pipe. No, so this is... hang on. How do we categorize this here? This is the most difficult part, I think, is trying to figure out how to categorize things properly. So if we go crafting, we do vial. Location is the glass blowing pipe. Okay, hang on. Let's hit glass blowing pipe. Please select an activity. Okay, so this isn't actually an activity. This is a station? Is that what we call it? Yeah, okay. Maybe we call it a station. Yeah. And then so let's actually do this. Control C. Let's do station. Show preview. And then we go to info box station. We paste this here. Then we'll close the activity. Oh, hang on, stay on page. We'll save changes. We can close this. Oh, did I? Oh, goodness. Hey, Noobs Casino. Thanks for the lurk. Enjoy the scape. Oh, that reminds me. I should do that point redeem for everybody. 1 hour for everybody. Hooray. Okay, so we can close that. But I need to go back to locations. Solus glass house. Glass blowing pipe. Hey, thanks for the 1 hour for everybody, noobs. Go preview. No, that's not what I wanted. There we go. That's what I want. Okay. So glass blowing pipe. Oh wait, no, I want info box station. What is it? Image equals glass blowing pipe dot png name equals glass blowing pipe. Go preview. Oh, did I spell station wrong? Oh, wait, did I spell station wrong here? Oh my goodness, how do you spell station? My poor spelling will be the death of me, I swear. Okay, station's right. Oh, did I not? Oh, I don't think I've actually saved this page. That might be the problem. Go preview. Okay, that looks fine. Okay, now what else can we add to station? Are you still here, Kent? That'd be super convenient. Is there any way to see? Okay, we'll add a description. Edit. I should just be able to copy this. Come on. Description. Okay, is description spelled right? What? Just search the word description. It's not that hard. Oh, I am dropping frames like a madman. Why did my internet cut out? Come on. Come back. Stop dropping frames. There we go. Okay. Okay, it looks like description is spelled right. Okay, so now we can do description equals you happen upon a glass blowing pipe. Show preview. Okay, let's do new tab. Okay, let's edit this. Station. And we'll do this. Save changes. Okay, now where's my sandbox? Here it is. Okay, save changes. Okay. Glass blowing pipe. Okay, what does this look like? This looks like, okay, description. So, hang on, what does this look like here? It's got, okay. So then let's do, uh, oh, we could have skill. Skill could be an option. skill. Skill. And then yeah, let's do crafting. Okay. So then if we do, we should be able to do square, square, file, colon, 3 brackets, skill, 3 brackets, dot png. Show preview. Oh, I didn't end the square brackets, lol. Show preview. Okay, well, we'll save changes. And then see if we go skill equals crafting. Show preview. Oh, nice. Weekly wiki updates. Yep, you are correct, costume. How's it going? Sorry, I get a little engrossed in what I'm doing. Sometimes I miss chat. So what if I put this in square brackets to make it clickable? Does that ruin the image? It does ruin the image. Okay, I added a skill section with an image that auto populates. Oh, wait, I think I know what to do. Edit. Let's put this in square brackets here. And then when I go here, I get rid of these square brackets. I need to save save changes. And then show preview. Hey, that's how we do it, boys. Okay, equals equals. Oh wait, let's throw our stub in there. Description. Okay, what else do we have here? We have description, notable features. Let's see. Okay, so we'll list the activities. Okay, so let's create a, we'll want a table here. Activity information. We don't need station because we already have that. Activity. Let's do making file. That's it. Is that how that works? Oh, I need to end the table. Go preview. Making files. Okay, yeah. Level. So for making vials, you need to be level 33. File crafting.png. Experience. Do we have an XP image? I feel like we do. Oh, skills. Crafting. We don't. Okay. So XP is 35. XP. $35. And then let's get rid of remarks. Show preview. We should add images. So let's do exclamation mark, exclamation mark, image. file colon file.png. Oh, that's one too many equals on the activities. I feel like we don't even need this bit. Okay, but I can take this, Control C, Enter, Control V. It changes all to unpowered orb. Unpowered orb. Unpowered orb. Unpowered ORBS. Level is 46 and XP is 126. Is 46 and XP is 126. Yes. Show preview. Okay. We're getting somewhere. Occasions. Equals Wiki tab TABLE. Oh, excuse me. Oops. Let's do exclamation mark. Map. Oops. Exclamation, double exclamation. Let's see. Oops. There we go. Oops. Map. Uh, got the map link. Room. Image. Number of locations. Number of stations. That seems fine. Yeah, I think that should be all we need. Hey, Midnight Premiere. Happy Thanksgiving if you celebrate. If not, happy Thursday, November 27th. Welcome, Midnight. I do, in fact, celebrate Thanksgiving, but as a Canadian, I do it a month ago. So happy American Thanksgiving to you, Midnight Premiere. And Bamboozle Plant, thanks for lurking. Enjoy the scaping. Okay, now let's take a look at the main page here for a second. Nope, December. We are in the future. Okay, my mistake. Edit. Let's take a look at the... Okay, how does this work? Wait a minute. Show preview. It's one you get to bank for next month. Oh, okay. Perfect. Okay. So what we want to do here is, where am I? Here we go. Map. Okay. How do I center the map? That's a template, I think, right? I think we can close this. Template map. Yeah, okay. And then if I edit. Okay, well, first of all, where is this? Soulless Glass House, that's right. We do file colon house.png 3 stations. Soulless Glass House. Okay. Okay, so remember the map we made? How do I pick a center when I call the map template? Is it just X equals and Y equals. Okay. So what do? We do map X equals Y equals. Does that work? There's no way it's that simple, right? Oh, okay. I need to change the size. Well, let's see if it centers it right. It looks like it's centered, right? Okay. Width, height. Okay. So let's do uh this one. Yeah, okay. We are at this one. Okay. Width equals, let's do 200. And then we want zoom equals 5, maybe? Oh, did I grab the wrong? I did. Okay. So I grabbed the wrong coordinates here. I'll just do 46.8. 6.8. Let's make it 300 by 300. That might be a little bit better. Oh, I didn't close those brackets. Show preview. Okay, that looks fine there. And let's do 200 BX. Show preview. Okay, why is that breaking? Oh, do I not have the end of the table? Could that be part of it? Okay. We'll see. Okay, this table is breaking and I don't know why. Let's see if we can figure it out. Still thinks I'm editing Brighter Shores Wiki for some reason. Come on, think faster. It's gotta be because of these vertical lines or something, right? Your table isn't cursed. The map template is. Yeah, that's exactly what I thought. Okay. Pardon me while it takes forever to do its thing. I don't know why. It's really slow on my computer, but incredibly fast on my phone. And I don't understand it. On its own, the table syntax is fine. So if the table is breaking, spilling out, eating the rest of the page, columns misaligned, etc., it's most certainly because of what map expands to. Do this test. Map here. Okay. Control X. Map here. No preview. Yeah, so that works perfectly fine. It is the map syntax that breaks things. On a lot of wikis, especially the weird gloop / game ones, map outputs its own table, uses wraps itself in weird block elements, and that's fine alone, but when you jam it inside a wiki table cell, the parser loses its mind and starts merging the inner markup with the outer table. So your row turns into chaos after expansion, not before. Step 2, clean up the template call anyway. Even if it's not the main issue, call it like this to avoid any weirdness. Okay, sure, we can do that. I just thought that was weirdness. Do they have spaces? Doesn't look like it. But it looks like that's in by a space. I don't know if that matters, but let's do it. Just clean her up a little bit here. Okay, this should still be a valid table cell. If map is safe to embed on that wiki, it probably isn't. Okay. Well, let's see if that made any difference whatsoever. It did not. Okay. You got a few options. Okay, don't put the map inside the table. Brutal but simple. Do map above the table. No parser drama. Option B. Use HTML instead of wiki table. HTML is less fragile than wiki text when embedding complex templates. The HTML tables don't interpret that as magic, so the map template is less likely to nuke it. Okay, well, let's try the HTML. Show preview. Hey, that works. Okay, that's the way I'm going to do it. We got ads coming in 1 minute. And let's center this. Show preview. Okay, let's make the room link a little smaller. Let's make it 250. Oh, and we'll make the glass house also 250. Show preview. Bruh, that's so good. Tell me that doesn't look good. You can't because it looks amazing. Okay, now are there any other blowing pipes? Glass blowing pipes? I don't think so. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, we are back. All right. Now we have an empty description, activities, locations. Uh, what else can we add here? Oh wait, I needed to see if there was any other. You know what? I'm just gonna bigify this temporarily. Are there any other glass blowing pipe locations? I don't think so, but I want to check. Oh, there's another kiln here though. Okay, I can safely say there are no more glass blowing pipe stations. Cool. Shop, trivia. Yeah, I think that'll be good. Let's just control A, control C. Save page. Okay, yeah, that's looking pretty snazzy if I do say so myself. Okay. Let's post that in the Discord and see what people think. Hang on. First, let's am I editing my sandbox? No. Edit. Station page template. Save changes. Okay. Yeah, that took a good bit of doing, but we got there. Now, how does this look when I make it full? Okay, that's still fine. Okay, so now if I go back to locations and Solus Glass House, now we have the glass blowing pipe. Oh, hey. Time to lurk. Looks pro AF. Thank you. Thanks for stopping by, Anka. Okay, now we make the kiln. It's Kiln, right? Like, that's correct? Hey, 5 stream streak. Huge. Kiln, yep. Okay. So now I'll go back to my sandbox. Edit. Location template. We want station page template. Control C. Kiln. Control V. Kiln. Kiln. You happen upon a kiln. Okay. Pot. What? What? Level 1, XP 15. Molten glass. Level 1, XP 20. 2-0. I-dish. I-dish is level 4 with 35 XP. Level 4 with 35. Okay, I think Control C. And we did find another location for the kiln. Let's see. Where was the other kiln located? It was in that barbarian place, I think. Or Viking, I should say. My apologies. Is that here? Viking village. Yes. Viking village. Let's actually go make molten glass here now to see what we can do. Start activity. So then if we go to the map, where is the Viking village? Viking village is at these coordinates. Okay. Oh, and there was only one kiln at the place there. And it looks like, oh wow, this map's pretty big. Looks like just the one, oops, the one kiln here as well. Yeah. One. Show preview. we not have an image for the Viking village? Show preview. Oh, Viking village doesn't exist. Fine. Okay. Means I'm gonna have to make a info box for that now. Okay, well here, let's I actually wanted to do this. There was one. There we go. Okay, so Control C, Control V, but then just do this. Okay. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Today's what? Thursday? Yeah. Okay. Budgeting is hard. Bruh. Why'd you have to remind me? I have to budget. I have to do my budgeting this month. Why you gotta do me like that? I only told you because I was thinking you are doing it. Oh, no, I'm editing the Microscape wiki. Iron Man, all this stuff, you know. I mean, I did, no, I mean in general. Yeah, okay. In real life. Not right now. Yeah, okay, I gotcha. Yes, I am supposed to be budgeting. And I did really good for October. The first month I ever tried to budget. But I have yet to open my spreadsheet for November. November is almost over. Damn. Yeah. Yeah. I'll probably do that after stream today, honestly. I've been putting it off for far too long, as obviously stated. Maybe it's more like a tracker than a budgeter. Can you share how you're doing it? Trying to figure it out myself. I gotta think here. I've basically never did hard budgeting stuff. Always I measured it. Yeah, well, I basically was just working with ChatGPT to help me build a Google Sheet. Don't do it on stream anyway. Yeah. I was building a Google Sheet with basically a table for income, a table for recurring expenses, and a table for one-time expenses. And then just applying various math to those. And adding like categories and stuff. So it's like, oh, that's old dwarven. Sounds good. Yeah. So it's like I would add categories like this thing is a need. So, and then it would go through and sum up all of the expenses that are in the need category, which is getting a little complicated, but basically I used ChatGPT for the whole thing to help me out. Surprisingly, it couldn't generate it for me. Maybe Gemini could, because it's Google. Time to tunnel to Finland and access Gemini. Can't you just like use a VPN or something? That's, oh, that's the tunneling. I gotcha. Save changes. Okay, so now every single one of these maps, or these pins, should have an image with them. Why is that not working? Does the Al Chira mine? Yeah, that one works. They do have image names. It's better. Okay, so Al Sahara Mine. Okay, Fenceville Fields, I forgot. Fenceville Bridge. Okay, so some of them are working. Manor Kitchen. Is that Manor Kitchen? That doesn't look like Manor Kitchen. Okay. Oh, looks wrong. Yeah, what did I put? Oh, edit. What did I put in Manor Kitchen? I think part of the problem is that not every location page exists yet. Space after file colon, maybe. Uh, where is Manor Kitchen? Manor Kitchen. Yeah, I put Fencewell Fields there, and Fencewell Fields has nothing. Okay. Control X. There we go. Save changes. So now what is it? This is Soulless Glass House, Soulless Shoals, Ice Cavern, Sorcerer's Tower. Oh, that's looking so good. Oracle's Village. Page does not exist. Yeah, okay, so that's the problem with these ones. Some of the pages don't exist yet. Control F5 to refresh cache. Now the problem is, for some reason, normally broken file links are red. But in this case, they're not, which is the weird behavior. So I can safely assume that if the image isn't loading, the page for the thing doesn't exist. Because for the page for the thing, I just went off the locations that someone else had made, and this isn't every single location. But when I did the maps, I rigorously went and added every single location. So that's the mismatch here. Right now, I am in Viking Village, which currently... Does Black Knight's Fort not exist? Oh, there's a lot of missing ones on this page. Okay. Yeah, we did some of them. Yeah, it's all good. So Viking Village. Let's make Viking Village. I think it was not even in the game when we made the list. I mean, that's entirely possible. Okay, so here's an idea. What we'll do is I'll edit. I will add... why is that 5? That's weird. That should be 4. I'll just add a MISC category for now. And list all of the ones that don't currently exist. Is it Viking Village singular? Or is it Vikings plural? Singular, okay. Okay, so Viking Village does not currently exist, but I'm going to make that one right away. Dang, Gemini can't work with Docs or Excel. So weird. That is weird. You can do some rudimentary stuff with .csvs. It should be able to handle that, honestly. Wicked Monastery. Okay, Wicked Monastery does not exist. Okay, Lava Maze Mine exists. Oracle's Village doesn't exist. You can look into them, but I can't work with them. Or but can't work with them. Okay, it can look into them but not work with them. Interesting. Yeah, then I guess you gotta just prompt it and ask, how do I do this? I'm to fire up cursor and vibe code some stuff. Wait, what's cursor? Wait, what? Oracle's Village does exist. Is it the freaking apostrophe? It is. That is such a weird apostrophe. I hate it so much. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna save this page. AI coding app. Oh, okay. You don't just use VS Code and Copilot? That's what happens when two people making one list they are bad at. I can't code. Yeah, me neither. Well, what? So it codes for me. That's what. I mean, I could take a look at it, but I'm pretty sure like the best way I've found to do code without knowing how to code is basically the text editor Visual Studio Code and the add-on of Copilot. It literally like edits the files on your computer for you. Yeah. Fifth page. Redirect. Then I do the square. Oh wait, I'll just do this. Preview. Can you just tell it to write a program and it does it with all the files you need? I mean, within reason, sometimes there's errors, but then you just tell it just like, hey, I got this error, and then it goes through and makes the changes to fix the error. Okay, that didn't work. I can't believe it's this little apostrophe. I hate it so much. Like, what even is that? Is that this? No. Is that this? No. Like, what even is that? That's like some weird ass special character. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay, so wait, we have the Lava Maze Mine. Wicked Monastery doesn't exist. Fixed Oracle's Village. Sorcerer's Tower. Ice Cavern. Rock West. Bank Vault. Rock Castle Yard. Okay, I'm pretty sure that one exists. Rock Castle Yard. It's got the stupid apostrophe map. Okay, so Rock Castle Yard. Show preview. Okay, Rock Castle Yard. Bank Vault. Rock West. Marcel's Hair Salon. Okay, Rock Sewers as well. Show preview. Wait, does Rock Sewers not exist? Oh my goodness. It's a typo. It's gonna be same symbol. Worse. So we made the page. Spoolers. Gross. Edit. Control A. Control X. Show preview. New tab. Control V. Oh, the file name is wrong too. I just copy pasted everything. I mean, I can't complain too much. Most of the time, typos are my fault, so the fact that this one isn't is actually kind of refreshing. You should. Save page. Let's see if it's still in here. Rock sewers. Nice. Upload file. And it's a duplicate of the following. Yep. Ignore warning and save file anyways. Perfect. Refresh. Okay, perfect. Now, just in case, let's do redirect to there. Save changes. Okay, so now back to the map. Let's show preview. Oh, rock swooers. Okay, good. You exist. That's happy. Oh, rock graveyard. Surely that one. Wait, what is this? Oh, I think I'm using that for the template or something. Locations. Are we looking at graveyard? Oh, stay on page. It's got to be the apostrophe. Yep. Where's map? Template. Map. There we go. Okay, so Orok Graveyard. Okay. Show preview. Okay, that works now. Orok Mine East is the same problem with the apostrophe. Okay. Orok East Mine. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Is there any other ones? Oops. Air Salon West is fine. Bank Vault's fine. Castle Yard's fine. Okay. Goblin Camp? Does that page not exist? Uh, it was not in the game for sure. Okay. Okay. So Goblin Camp is new. Viking Village is already on the list. Old Dwarven Tunnels looks fine. Dwarven Mine. Oh, I just have an extra bracket in there. Right there. Soulless Glass House, Soulless Shoals, Ice Cavern, Sorcerer's Tower, Oracle's Village, Breakstone Isle, Wizard's Tower. Okay, hang on, I got a little ahead of myself. Goblin Camp, Old Dwarven Tunnels, Dwarven Mine. Okay, we fixed that one. Soulless Glass House. Okay. Wizard's Tower. Did that exist? It did, and it's gotta be another one of those apostrophes. I don't know where people got that apostrophe from. Like, it's literally not even on my keyboard. Drymore Village? Surely that exists. What the heck? Drymore? Oh, Drymore. Okay, so what is it actually called? First symbol, yeah. Because this is Drymore Village, right? That's the Manor Kitchen. That's Fencewell. Okay, hang on. Where am I? What the heck? Classic. Yep. Okay, Wizard's Tower. Drymore Village. There is no E at the end. New tab. New tab. Show preview. New tab. New tab. Drymore Village. Edit. Control A. Control C. Creating Drymore Village. Control V. Boop. 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 Hey, Victory Gaming Zombie, welcome, welcome. I am editing a Wikipedia, like a wiki for this cheeky little idle Twitch game here. Okay, so that should be good. Save page. Did you make the game? I did not. I am just a fan. It's based off RuneScape Classic. So if you've ever played that and enjoyed it, you would probably enjoy this idle Twitch game as well. Try more. Village? I think that's the one. Yeah. No, hang on. What's Drymore Village? Oh, that might actually be it. Drymore Mansion. Yeah, that's got to be it. Upload file. Game is great, though. Yeah, it is great. I love it. Ignore warning and save file anyway. Perfect. That fixed Drymore Village. Now we'll do a cheeky little redirect. Boop. Control A, boop. Redirect it to the real Drymore Village. Save changes. That takes care of that. Now we have the mansion. Control A, Control X. This should be fine now. Yes, okay. Drymore Mansion is now that. We get rid of the E. We get rid of the E. We get rid of the E. And one more E. Save page. MANS. No, okay. Let's do DRY. Drymore Mansion. All right. Upload file. Yep, it's a duplicate of the typo. That checks out. Ignore warnings and save anyways. Cool. Refresh. Perfect. Control C. We can close this now. Go here. Save changes. About 1 hour till end of stream, by the way. Just a friendly heads up. Oh, wait, what? I did the redirect wrong. What is wrong with the redirect? Is it redirect? Oh my goodness, I did something. Redirect? There we go. Okay. Save changes. Not sure what I did wrong, but typing it a third time fixed it. Just a spelling or typo somewhere. Okay. And back to the map. Drymore Village. Drymore Mansion should be fixed now. Wizard's Tower. I think I fixed that one. Alsera. Sahara. Al-Sahara Mine. Benswell Fields. Manor Kitchen. Benswell Bridge. Bellroot Swamp. We got ads coming in a minute. Hey, Edmund Lou. Thanks for lurking. Enjoy your scaping. Merrick's Magic Shop. Okay, so that's gotta be the comma. The apostrophe, sorry. Okay, I think that's got them all. Save changes. Other than the ones that genuinely don't exist. Like the Wicked Monastery doesn't exist. Oracle's Village is fine. Sorcerer's Tower. Okay, let's check out Drymore. Yep, Drymore is good now. All right, be right back. All right, we are back. Now seems like a good time to do my 1 hour for everybody. Okay, I think that's fixed all the broken map links. Hang on, let's just snooze the ads. So those were the last ads of the stream. Okay. So I should be done with the map template now. Now, okay, I need to make an info box location template. Is that in my sandbox? I think it is. No, the template itself isn't, just the call for the template, I think. So it looks like there's only been 3 maps added since that list was created. Infobox station. Okay, yeah, let's look at that one. Edit. Okay, now I need to make, let's do this one. Okay. Uh, so hang on, let's just do that and compare real quick. Okay, so file is going to equal name. One, two, three. Name. One, two, three. Oops. One, two, three. Uh, okay, now I should be able to get rid of this. Okay, what does that look like? Okay, hang on, I think we can. Uh, let's see, hang on, let's save page. And then for Viking Village, we will do info box location name equals Viking Village. Show preview. Viking Village map. Okay, so I actually need to download this one. Open link in new tab. Save image as Viking Village. Save. Cool. I can close this, and I have to open GIMP. So I can crop it to content. Any minute now. Okay, so hang on. We can get rid of the... What is that? I guess we can probably close that now. Box location. Edit. So that's probably this. Oops, too much. Show preview? Maybe. Save changes. Show preview? Yep. Okay, perfect. GIMP is still opening. Open. Close. Downloads. Viking Village. Open. Image. Crop to content. File. Overwrite. Cool. So we can close that now. Discard changes. Open link in new tab. Browse. Viking Village. All right. Upload file. Perfect. Show preview. Okay. Do I have the map still open? No. Leave page. I don't think I made any changes. Edit. Control A, Control C. Okay. So given this map template, can I center a call of this template on the location name. Oh, nope. Stop. Edit message. Shift enter. Control V. Send. So you want to center a map on the location name, meaning something like map name equals Solstice Glass House, and have it automatically find the coordinates. Yeah. Cute ambition, but here's the honest truth. Media Wiki templates are too dumb to look up coordinates by page name. Because the display map call is basically a giant text blob, templates don't see your markers as a data table. They're just raw text sent to your map renderer. Okay. But we can make it work with a trick, okay? Create a lookup template with coordinates. Oh my goodness, that is so much work. Okay. Oh, which means you're basically using a dictionary in Lua. Oh, but now you need a Lua module. Okay, well, let's avoid Lua for now. Basically, what I'm trying to do is make a location info box that has the map inside it located centered on the location coords are fine to use, I suppose. Looking great on my phone. Only at the starting page. The window to the right is very slim. Glass blowing pipe. At least if you don't hold your phone sideways. Edit. So instead of skill, we will do location. I don't think we need description either, really. Good. Coords are fine because Trying to auto-detect by name without Lua is a pain. You basically already have what you need. Okay, so hang on. Let's see. Let's go back to glass blowing pipe. Leave page. Oh, why is this broken now? Oh no, what happened? Edit. What? Okay, that was really weird. And so basically, I need this bit here. And then I need to find Viking Village. Its coordinates are here. Info box location. Oh wait, no. So what I need to do for the template is x equals squiggle, 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 x line, squiggle, 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 and y equals squiggle, 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 y line, squiggle, squiggle, squiggle. It's 360, so let's match it with 360. No, let's make them both 250 actually. Show preview. Okay, that might actually work. So now, editing Viking Village, we do x equals, what is that, that one? Yeah. And y equals, does that magically work? Oh, do I have to save this? I think I have to save this. Save changes. Show preview. Oh. Wrong map. Show preview. No way. Oh man, that works. That is so sick. Okay. And that's so huge. I'm so stoked that that worked. Station. Save page. Oh, that's looking so good. I am so satisfied with that. You guys have no idea. That looks so good. Oh man. Okay. There is one change I do want to make. I want to put the name above. Oh wait, what? No, 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 no. Okay, it's this. Goes here. Show preview. Okay, yeah, and then this goes here. There we go. Save changes. Refresh. There we go. That looks so good. Oh man. It's almost like I know what I'm doing. Maybe we change from marks to skill. Okay, so for the station, oh, I need to wait till we get back there. Well, I know we have the kiln. We have the pot. Molten glass. And and I dish. Yep. Okay. Number of hotspots is 1. Number of slots is 1. Skill is oh, crafting. Preview. Okay, cool. What do we have other than the kiln? Oh, crafting table has a lot of stuff. Um, Maybe we get rid of the activity altogether. Because if we look at the kiln page, it lists all the activities. Oh, we also need to upload an image of the kiln. Okay. Okay, yeah, so let's get rid of the activity. Preview. How do we do the align thing? Okay, I think we're done with info box location. I think we're done with this too. Leave page. Ah, the location. Oh, that's HTML. How do I do the align thing? Oh, these aren't aligned. Okay. Well, I mean, maybe that's fine. Yeah, that's probably fine. What other hotspots do we have? Crafting table. Okay. How many crafting tables do we have? 2. Oh, there's a fishing spot here too. Wow. Is that's clay? Clay rock. Yeah, okay. Okay, so let's do crafting table. Boop boop. Number 2, 2. And then it's gonna be crafting. Okay, what else do we got? We got the spinning wheel. Pottery wheel, okay. I think there was also 2 of those. Oh, let's do the images too, I think. I think that'll be nice. Okay, let's do file colon KILN dot PNG. C. File. Okay, so there's, yeah, 2 pottery wheel. Okay, I did spell that right. What else do we have here? There is also 3, 4 of the fly fishing spot. Oops. File. Fly fishing spot. Or fishing file fishing.png. Show preview. Oh, those all need .pngs. .png. 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 Okay. Now, clay rock is mining, right? Oh, it is crafting. Wait, are you telling me that mining clay gives me crafting experience? It does. That's weird. Okay. File. Clay rock.png. Clay rock. There is 3 of them. Show preview. Okay. That looks fine. Save changes. Okay, so now I need to get the image of the kiln. F12. Link in new tab. Save image as kiln. Save. Close. I need the crafting table. New tab. Save image as crafting table. All right. Oh, we're wrapping up stream in about 10 minutes. Time flies when you're having fun. Pottery wheels next. Okay. While I'm in transit, we will upload the kiln and the crafting table image. Refresh. Okay, now we need pottery wheel, clay rock, and fly fishing spots. Okay, so same image as the feather. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's refresh this now that the kiln is there. Perfect. Upload file. Ignore any warnings. Okay. Okay, that's pretty huge progress. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. I think we're just about done. Okay. What I think I will do is start replacing some of these info boxes on the other pages. Like here we have the Oracle Village. So let's just, if we replace that with this. Oracle's Village, and then I need to find the coordinates. Control F. Control V. There we go. Go preview. Perfect. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is just copy the info box location to all of the locations that currently exist. And then we'll call her a day. Oh, that's more than I thought. This might suck. Okay, hang on. Where's the... Okay, well, I can close this. Where's this one? I think I can close this. So X is 70.1, 70.1, and Y is 21.6. Show preview. Yep, that's the one. Save changes. Enter. Oh my goodness, this is terrible. preview. Yep, okay, that is correct. Save changes. I forgot to copy the template. Oh, wait. Oh, man, okay. Let's do info box location name equals x equals y equals now let's just open a notepad. Control V. Okay, well, let's do the last Microscape 1 hour for everybody. And I think I'm gonna have to finish this up off stream because it's that time of day and I do have other things I need to do. So thanks everybody for hanging out. I appreciate every single one of you. Yeah. Let's go to the ending here. Thank you all for watching. I had fun. It feels really good to make lots of progress and make things look really good on wiki pages like this. But we will be back to our regularly scheduled grind tomorrow, Friday, at the same regular time and same regular place. So until then, remember that Jesus loves you, and so do I. Peace.